Well, hi everyone. Yeah, just thought I'd give you a short update this week. There's not going to be a regular YouTube video, but I did want to give you guys, you patrons, an update. Patrons and anyone else who's motivated enough and savvy enough to work out how to watch this video. It was cold for several days, so progress was a bit slow, although I did try to get a couple of little bits done. But meantime, it's warmed up today. It's warmed up. Tomorrow's supposed to be okay, so we're getting on again. What I've done, the first thing I did was, if you walk this way, Kerry, if you look down in there, you'll see that the battery box is mounted. Yeah, that's good. Let's come back out of there now. Battery box is mounted. It's not completely finished because it's not warm enough to do the bilge paint yet. So I haven't bilge painted, so it's in position, the battery box, but I'll take it out again to bilge paint and then fit it finally after that. But I did that, and then I'm now running around with conduit, and if you look behind you, you'll see a little bit of conduit sticking out there, running conduit round so that I can run the electrics in. So I've come up with my highly technical wiring plan there. Look, you can see that. Can you see that? Yeah, hardly CAD design, but that's my technical wiring plan. Just to think about what I need here and there. Obviously, electrics will be very simple, so not too much to go in, but trying to run it in conduit, keep it tidy. So this morning I've been drilling holes through for the conduit to run in and put the conduit mainly through. Still got a bit to go, but that's what we're working on. And as part of that, one thing I need to do up in this, hopefully I don't know if it's too dark here, but I need to run the mains cable. It needs to come through here, and there's a board joint here that I haven't glassed yet, so I thought I've just sanded that. I'm going to glass that one, the other side while I'm about it. So I'll just run the sander over there. I should do that in a minute and get up here. I'm just sanding also these board joints and the ceiling there, and the lower underside of the deck. So yeah, at least they'll be sanded. Those two I'm certainly going to glass so I can run that conduit and cable there without having to take it off again later and glass. It would be silly. Yeah, bit of a mess in there. If you scan around, you'll see clutter everywhere. But that's the way it is when you're working, I guess. Getting on fairly well. It's nice that it's warm enough in there now. I've had the heater running, but it's okay in there. We can actually stand it. Good, that's what's going on. I'll say just a short update to you lovely patrons, and we'll put a proper YouTube video up next week. Good, see you then, bye.